Today, we will discuss on GSTR 2A and 2B and what is the difference between GSTR 2B and 2B also. So, let's check it. And GSTR 2A is a auto-drafted statement details, and auto-drafted ITC statement is GSTR 2B, and auto-drafted details will be GSTR 2A. So let us go to GSTR 2A. GSTR 2A is a system generated return reflecting inward suppliers, which is like purchase related transactions. It is auto drafted, it is auto generated based on information given by supplier. So in GSTR 2A, there will be a 4 parts: part A, part B, part C, and part D. In part A, we will see the B2B invoices related to B2B, and any amendments invoices in B2B, and credit or debit notes and amendments to credit or debit notes. In part B, ISD credits and amendments to ISD credits will be discussed here. And in part C, tax related transactions like TDS credits and amendments to TDS credits, TCS credits. So in part D, import of goods from overseas on bill of entry and import of goods from sales units. So in GSTR 2A, 4 parts will be there, and it is a dynamic statement. So details of imports of goods and inward supplies of goods will be available here, GSTR 2A. Details of inward supplying will be reflected in this statement. For example, B2B invoices. So on real-time basis, the inward suppliers details will be enabled here. So which is like on real-time basis. So coming to the GSTR 2B. So GSTR 2B we will go. So here and back. So coming to the GSTR 2B. So it is a auto-drafted ITC statement. GSTR 2B is a auto-drafted ITC statement. So 2B. So it is a system generated statement reflecting the input tax credit. So how much the input tax credit will be available here. So the ITC available, input tax credit available details will be here, and ITC ineligible ITC details also will be disclosed here. So on the other hand, GSTR 2B is form of statistic statement. Details will be updated on constant basis. Okay, and it will be reflect the details of ITC's registered persons. So here, so details of suppliers from registered persons, inward suppliers from ISD, inward suppliers liable for reverse charge, import of goods. So all the details will be available here. And GSTR 2B is a B-free bifurcates the eligible or ineligible ITC. ITC available, ITC not available. So this will be a differences between the GSTR 2A and 2B.